Hello there, friends. So today I'm going to show you how I use this Sketchup model that I made myself from scratch and make something like this. But first, I'm going to show you some basic sketches that you can do with this model and how I actually do this. So you just move around the camera, and when you're satisfied with the way it looks, go to file and then export it to 2D, and then save the file to wherever you want, and then that's it. Then open up your uh, program of choice for drawing. So what I use is Clip Studio. So I open that file over there, and then I basically just lower the opacity and draw over it. It's like a guide. So the good thing about this model that I've made, unlike the native 3D models here in Clip Studio, is that I've customized it, and I've customized the face especially to look more like an anime. It's like an anime of my style, and I can customize it more and come up with character designs easily. So you basically just trace over this guide that you've made from SketchUp, and it makes drawing a lot easier. It's basically cheating, actually. Anyways, I'm going to show you a few more face angles using this guide and just show you that it actually works. Here, I'm going to show you how to use it for uh, a bird's eye view. I think that's what you call this view. Okay, so I've shown you a bunch of face angles that you can do with this, and you can basically just draw anime faces now in any angles you want. So now I'm going to show you how to actually move the model. See, I've customized this so you can pose the model easily. So you just have to, in SketchUp, you have to go to Window and then show component options. And there you can uh, rotate each part in any way you want. So if you want to rotate the torso, you just highlight that part and then input values in the RX, RY, RZ. It's basically just X rotation, Y rotation, Z rotation. Okay, so I'm posing this one, this demonstrating a pose for this model. As you can see, I'm just highlighting the parts, then posing each part the way I like it. Also, if you want to, uh, another trick you can do in SketchUp is, if you want, is that you can save a camera view so that even if you change the view and rotate, zoom in on the model, so that you can see a part, body part, better. You can just go back to that previous camera view that you wanted. To do that, you can go to view, then animation, then add scene. Okay, here, so I just change camera view so I can see the arm better and manipulate it the way I want it to look. And then I clicked scene 5 up there. So that's the camera view I saved earlier. So it went back to that view. Another advantage of SketchUp is that you can actually change the field of view. It makes it more dynamic, adds more perspective on the drawing. Okay, here, so just export it again to Clip Studio, and I started drawing over it. So this video is not actually a drawing tutorial. Still have to know how to draw anime, even if you have this guide, but it will really help a lot, and you can basically just trace it, but you still have to know a few drawing stuff. One one thing I haven't figured out how to cheat on is drawing clothes. So you'll have to draw it yourself the, over this guide. Just a few exceptions though is the shoes and a few others that you can download from. You can download a bunch of SketchUp models of shoes and just paste it on this model, and there you go. You have shoes. Uh, Also, this knife thing here, I also got that from the internet and just pasted it on the model I made. So that's another advantage of this model. Can mm, borrow uh, SketchUp models from other creators and just use it on your own and use it as guide on your drawings. So here I'm just cleaning up the line art so I can start coloring it. Uh, Here, as you probably notice, I still uh, show the guide every now and then just to check if uh, it's still I'm still drawing over it uh, correctly. Makes you This guide just makes you draw more consistently, more anatomically consistent, and your perspective will be perfect. I think I'm almost done with the line art here, so think I'm going to proceed with coloring this one. Okay. almost done. Just the basic cell shading type of coloring. Nothing too fancy. Just used a few blending modes just to add a few effects here and there. It's that you usually see in Webtoon. So I think this uh, model, this style is perfect for Webtoons. Anyway, that's done. Thank you for watching. And here I'm just gonna show you from the model to the sketch and to the final image. Anyway, so that's it. If you want to use the SketchUp model I showed here, it's actually available for download. Just there's a link in the description of this video. Uh, just click on that and you can download that SketchUp model and you can use it however you want. Thank you.